Winter can be so harsh, but also so beautiful.
Oi, oi, oi.
This was our first proper test of our new touring skis. We've never had touring skis before, so we are complete beginners. And you will hear me struggling quite a bit because my legs are just burning up. It's so hard on the legs, but it's so much fun. Oh! Here we are doing something that a lot of people will find quite strange, I guess. We are trying to find a path from our cabin down to the store on the village below. And it's through a dense forest and it's, yeah, not easy, but lots of fun.
Det var litt av en skitur, Bjørn. Det var litt av en skitur, det her. Oi sann. Au! Wow! Wow! Nei! Vi kommer oss ned. Ned her, faktisk.
In this trip I had a headache, but I really wanted to get out on this beautiful winter's day. And I'm heading towards the mountain you see in the background.
Det var litt av en klabbedeis med snø. Oi. Det var litt trangt. Ja. Så fint. Oi, oi. Oi.
Despite my headache at waivers going downhill, it was worth it. It's so beautiful with all this snow and so much fun. I just want more of this. So this is the last few clips from a different place at a different time. I hope you enjoyed. I think my next videos about wild camping will be in the spring. I do really hope the winter will last a bit longer though.